Hi parents, it's Mr. Watson with today's video math tutorial. This one is for lesson 4.11, and today we are adding not one, not two, but three two-digit numbers. And the idea of what we're looking for today is to find ways to make that easier by taking things that we have already learned in class. Things like knowing our doubles facts, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, and so on. And very importantly, our combinations of 10, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 2. Today, all of my students received their own set of flashcards covering the combinations of 10 and the doubles. So if they still need help with that, they should get those out and drill with them. Okay? So what are we looking for? Well, let's start with this first problem here. 22 plus 27 plus 18. We want the students to be able to recognize that 2 and 8 is one of our combinations that makes 10. And 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 is greater than 9, so we're regrouping. We put the 7 in the answer area, the solution area, and the 1 from the 17 goes over our tens column. Then we just come straight down and add. And usually the addition in the tens column is going to be much, much easier. Lots of small numbers, 1s and 2s and 0s and things like that. So here we have 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and that gives us our answer of 67. Also, what they might see sometimes are their doubles facts coming into play. That's what we see here in this one, where we have 3 and 3, which they know is 6. And you can even take 6, and they should even know, hey look, that's also one of your combinations of 10. The 0 from the 10 goes here, the 1 is regrouped up here. This blank space here can cause some problems, be aware of that. We have talked in class though about how you don't start a number with the digit 0, so we have to leave it as a blank space, but it counts as 0 when we're adding. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and oh look, there's another double. 4 plus 4 is 8, giving us our total of 80. Finally, the third kind of problem you will see are problems where none of those rules are applying. These are fewer, but they are there, and the idea is to just kind of get them used to the idea of doing their math. There's no doubles fact, there's no combination of 10 here, but there is a doubles plus 1 in 7 plus 8, because 7 plus 7 is 14. 1 more to the problem would mean 1 more to the answer of making that 15. Any number plus 0 stays the same. 15 plus 0 is 15. We're regrouping because that's larger than 9. A 5 there, a 1 here. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Mentally checking my math. And we get our answer of 105. The kids like to do these little arrows. Please follow up with them. Make sure they're not just doing them because. I had some kids today who were drawing big arrows on the problems, and there was really no reason for them to do so. Also, keep an eye out for situations where they are not going to regroup. You might see a problem that doesn't equal 9, or it doesn't equal a number greater than 9, and sometimes they still want to go ahead and put a 1 over the tens column. They feel like they have to regroup every time. Remember, it's numbers that are greater than 9, and 9 is not greater than 9, okay? That's it for today. We'll see you at school tomorrow.